How to turn on and off subtitles in Plex. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can turn on and off subtitles in Plex. First of all, launch open Plex application on your device. It can be opened up in a mobile, TV, web or desktop, or even tablets. And once you're inside the home page of Plex, make sure you're logged in. And now from the home screen, go ahead and select the movie or TV show you want to start watching. After you select one of the contents, in the info section, go ahead and look for the watch button and tap on it. Tap the watch now button from the menu. Once your content starts playing, tap on the middle of the screen to bring up the playback options. From the menu, go ahead and click on the three dots at the bottom right corner, and under settings, you will see subtitles button. Tap on it. Now, if there is subtitle options available, you'll be able to see it on the page. Go ahead and select the subtitle language you want to turn on, and now tap the play button in the playback. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to see the subtitle displayed on the screen at the bottom. If you want to turn off the subtitles, then you can repeat this step by tapping the three dots at the bottom right and click on subtitles and select none. Soon after you do that, you have now learned how you can easily enable and disable subtitle setting in Plex. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.